In this video, we're going to be showing you how we charge our JBL Flip 5 Bluetooth speaker. So on the back of our speaker here, we can see that we do have all of the control buttons, being the power, the Bluetooth, and then we have the battery level, and then the USB-C port. Now, before we get into charging our device, let's go ahead and take a look at how much battery we have on it currently. We're going to push and hold the power button until the device turns on, and then we can see this bar here, which has a light indicating as to how much charge the Flip has left on it. As we can see, we are not quite fully charged, so we're going to go ahead and give it some power. Now, to charge the device, we are going to need a USB-C power cord that we're going to connect to that port. So here we have our USB-C cable. We're going to go ahead, flip our speaker back on over, and pop it on into the speaker. We are then going to take the other end of our power cord, find an outlet, and plug it on in, like so. Once we have power to the device, we will see that the battery indicator is now flashing, meaning that it is charging. So we're going to let our speaker sit for a little while to charge until that light stops blinking. Some time has now passed, and we come back to our speaker to see that the light is completely turned off, meaning that the battery should be fully charged. So let's take a look. We will power on our device to check the battery level. And we see we do have a solid white line, meaning we have received a full charge. And now the speaker is ready to use. If you found this video helpful, it'd mean a lot if you could hit that like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.